Hello everyone. My name is Harshit and I have done my graduation in Philosophy Honours from Hindu College University of Delhi. Currently I am pursuing my Masters in Philosophy from Delhi University. If I tell you about my experience, so at my college level I was part of three societies: Academic Society, Environmental Society, and Assistential Service Scheme, which is a service society which take initiatives in the society and help different communities and to all those areas which are needed. Along with it, I was president of my department where I conducted so many sessions, activities. I invited speakers from different universities. What I have learned from all this exposure, I got a brilliant exposure from my college. It developed my experience. It I gained more learnings through all the people I interacted. It boosted my confidence, self esteem, my communication skills. So, through this, uh, I need some medium where I can uh, use all this exposure in some productive way. And by being a part of philosophy, I learned so many things from my professors. Their teaching style was so unique, and literally, philosophy uh, it's precious that I'm grateful that I got chance to read it. It shapes our personality. It's people start questioning in our society who read philosophy. So through all this, I discovered that I like teaching concepts, and if I like teaching concepts, I can teach. Then I got a chance to interact with Teacherswala, and now I'm about to teach 6th to 10th class social science near Shakti Nagar. I'm also an UPSC aspirant. So, what's my motto? What's my ambition? I want to make social science, which a student feels boredom. I want to make it easy and light. I have a unique style of teaching. Uh, I have funny and dramatic element, so there will be fun in my teaching style. If I tell you about my interests, I do mimicry. I like stand up. I like cricket. I like playing chess. I also do vipassana meditation. So yeah, please give me a chance. Thank you.